Now, a lot of people prefer pets that are not necessarily dogs or cats. Today's question for our pet vet on call: do goats make good pets?
Sure, if you are committed to that species and you know what you're doing. I do a little research and studying first because goats are not dogs. There are a lot of different sizes and breeds of goats. So for instance, a milk goat or a meat goat would not do well in a tiny little yard, whereas a little pygmy goat might be kind of fun until they start climbing on all your furniture and the hood of your car. You might want to check with your ordinances and things because sometimes they're not allowed in cities and in municipalities. And then you want to make sure that you can provide what they need. A big enough pen so they can get some exercise. You need housing for them. You need shelter and a place to keep their feed because they eat hay, so you need to store that. And you also want to make sure that you spend time with them. They are herd animals. You have to be committed to a different kind of creature.
We invite questions from anyone. If you have a question, you just send it to petvet@koamtv.com. Dr. Eva Dudek from the Parsons Pet Hospital answers a different question or brings us a fun fact every Wednesday on KOAM News at 5. You can also find answers to previous questions on our website. All right, let's check out our picks of the litter for the week. Look at this. From the Joplin Humane Society, we have this adult male short-haired cat named Steve. And from the Southeast Kansas Humane Society, we have Montana, an 8-year-old male terrier mix. If you're looking for a pet, why not at least check out your local Humane Society? They always have a lot of great ones for you to check out and maybe take home.